Shopping for car insurance in Los Angeles can feel like navigating the world's biggest gridlock, with high prices keeping you stuck overpaying for coverage. But it's not impossible to find cheap insurance in LA. You just need to know where to look for it. Let's get into it. Jerry's got your back. To understand why it's so hard to find cheap car insurance in LA, let's start by taking a closer look at the state of insurance in California. Despite tight regulation by the state's insurance department, California's insurance companies have been raising rates steadily over the past few years. And the problem is especially serious in Los Angeles. You see, that's partly because LA's busy culture produces tons of accidents, which cost insurance companies millions of dollars each year. Los Angeles sees tens of thousands of car accidents every year, close to about 150 a day. But one that really causes a problem for insurance are serious accidents that cause injury, property damage, and even fatalities. Since 2020, LA has seen a whopping 18% increase in these serious accidents. Now let's add inflation, which drives up car values and auto repair costs, and you got a major insurance crisis that can make cheap insurance feel like a thing of the past in LA. But it's not. You just need to know where to look for it. So we went ahead and crunched the numbers from thousands of insurance quotes we found in the past few years for drivers in LA, and found a few providers offering much cheaper rates than the rest. The best all-around insurance company for many LA drivers is Nationwide. Nationwide's rates are constantly low, with an average of $126 per month compared to the citywide average of $180. From drivers who don't already have insurance, the best company we found was Allstate. Most companies we looked at raised rates by a few $100s per year for first-time drivers, but with Allstate, drivers with no previous insurance only paid about an extra $50 per year than the drivers with current insurance. If you're under the age of 25, you can expect sky-high rates from most providers. The average we found among drivers aged 18 to 21 was a whopping $490 per month. So for young drivers, look at companies like Safeco, which offers tons of discounts based on driver's ed, good grades, and other factors to keep rates for younger drivers about 36% lower than citywide average. Allstate and Travelers also typically have good rates for young drivers as well. Finally, let's talk about you Tesla drivers. If you're one of the many drivers who owns an electric or hybrid vehicle in LA, make sure you're shopping with companies that reward green cars. Mercury and Travelers both offer EV discounts to some customers, so be sure to shop around. If you're ready to compare rates from different insurance providers in Los Angeles, download the Jerry app to streamline the process. Jerry takes your driver profile and automatically pulls quotes from eligible insurers in your area, so you have all the information you need to make the best final decision. Click the link down below to get started. And if you're interested in more smart insurance advice in 2024, like and subscribe to our channel and drop a comment below if there's any questions you'd like to be answered in the near future.
Jerry, the All Car app that's got your back. Because we car.